Huawei Pura X versus Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. When it comes to display size, the Huawei Pura X offers a sleek 6.3 inches, providing an immersive experience with its impressive screen-to-body ratio of 87.5%. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes it up a notch with a larger 6.9 inches display, boasting an even higher screen-to-body ratio of 92.5%, making every visual detail pop like never before. The Huawei Pura X features a versatile main camera setup with a stunning 50-megapixel wide lens, perfect for capturing sharp and vibrant photos. However, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra dominates the scene with its remarkable 200-megapixel wide lens, allowing for unparalleled detail and clarity in every shot. This camera is a game-changer for photography enthusiasts. With the Huawei Pura X, you can choose from impressive internal storage options, including 256GB with 12GB RAM or up to 1TB with 16GB RAM, ensuring you have ample space for all your apps and media. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra matches this with similar configurations, but it also offers a 1TB variant with 12GB RAM, providing flexibility for heavy users who need that extra storage. The Huawei Pura X presents a resolution of 1320 by 2120 pixels, delivering a crisp and clear viewing experience. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra outshines with a stunning resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, ensuring that every image is sharp and vibrant, making it ideal for media consumption and gaming. Under the hood, the Huawei Pura X is powered by an octa-core Kirin 920 chipset, providing efficient performance for everyday tasks. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the lead with its octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which delivers lightning-fast processing speeds and exceptional multitasking capabilities, perfect for power users. The Huawei Pura X packs a solid 4720 mAh battery, ensuring you can stay connected throughout the day. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a larger 5000 mAh battery, providing even more longevity for those who demand more from their devices. For selfies, the Huawei Pura X offers a respectable 10.7 megapixel front camera, perfect for capturing your best angles. However, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra steps it up with a 12 megapixel front camera, enhancing your selfies with greater detail and clarity, making sure you shine in every shot. The Huawei Pura X showcases a premium design with a glass front and back or eco-leather back, complemented by an aluminum frame. On the flip side, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a robust build with Corning Gorilla Armor 2 glass on both front and back and a titanium frame, ensuring durability while maintaining a luxurious feel. The Huawei Pura X is equipped with the Kirin 9020 chipset, providing solid performance for everyday tasks. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra utilizes the Qualcomm SM8750AB Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process, offering superior efficiency and power for demanding applications. The Huawei Pura X features a foldable LTPO2 OLED display, which supports 1 billion colors in HDR Vivid, perfect for those who enjoy vibrant visuals. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, however, boasts a dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, which not only supports HDR10+, but also reaches peak brightness levels of 2600 nits, making it ideal for outdoor use. The Huawei Pura X allows you to shoot stunning 4K videos at 30 FPS, ensuring high-quality video capture for your memories. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes video recording to the next level with the capability of 8K video at 24:4 30 FPS, offering filmmakers and content creators an extraordinary level of detail and versatility. Finally, the Huawei Pura X comes at a competitive price of $1,150, making it an attractive option for those seeking premium features without breaking the bank. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is priced at $1,300, reflecting its high-end specifications and cutting-edge technology, catering to users who want the very best. Running on HarmonyOS 5.0, the Huawei Pura X offers a unique user experience tailored to its ecosystem. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra operates on Android 15, providing up to 7 major Android upgrades, ensuring your device stays current with the latest features and security.